Hi, David Caribbean here. Welcome to the short series of videos. I call them Real Estate 101, where I will talk about some real estate terminology and the basics of how to look at the deal, how to read the financial statement and analyze them. So why is this important? First of all, every field, whether it's sport, medicine, engineering, everything has its nomenclature and terminology. And by knowing this, you will come across as professional, as somebody who knows what he's talking about. This comes especially important when you're working with a bank, with the brokers, talking to the sellers. You won't come across as an amateur. And second, it will help you to read the financial statements, analyze the deal, whether you're shopping for your own deal or you're looking to invest with somebody, another syndicator, into their own deal. So today I will talk about gross income, gross rents. So here, let me see if I can make this better. So I printed this financial statement from my own property. I just erased all the numbers and stuff. But this is most of the time, whether you run the property by yourself or you're hiring property management company, they will send you these financial statements. And for the most part, these are pretty standard. So here you can see the income, the total income. So these are the rents. I have residential rent, that's regular rent paid by the tenants. Subsidy, these are Section 8s, pet rent, and then other sources of income. In my case, I have application fees, laundry and vending income, late fees, and other tenant charges. So these are like lease violations, copying keys, miscellaneous repair charges, stuff like that. So all these income sources together will total into gross monthly rent. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe to my channel for more new content. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you at the next video. Take care.